In this video, we will show you a detailed introduction to the captivating Climb Explore widget pages on Garmin Edge 540, 840, and 1040. This will offer you a comprehensive understanding of its functionalities and features, allowing you to gain a more professional insight into the Climb Explore tool. Let's get started. The Climb Explore widget is a feature that shows nearby climbs while you're navigating or freely riding. By swiping down from the top and then swiping all the way across, you will see the Climb Explorer, which shows you all the climbs in your nearby area. Select three dots, you will see the following sorting and filtering options. 1. Search radius. 2. Minimum climb difficulty. 3. Maximum climb difficulty. 4. Terrain type. 5. Sort by. 6. Sort order. The results are returned in a list you can select from. More details about each climb can be viewed by selecting an entry from the list. If the climb is categorized, the category number shows next to the starting point balloon-shaped icon. Then the climb categories are determined by the climb score, which is calculated using the grade multiplied by the length of the climb. A climb must have a length of at least 500 meters and an average grade of at least 3%, or a climb score of 1,500, to be considered a climb. That's it. The Climb Explorer widget adds diversity to your cycling experience, displaying nearby climbing routes at a glance. This enhances your cycling journey with excitement and enjoyment. For more information, please visit support.garmin.com.